Hello watcher and subscriber. Now we are in the part 2 of internal storage example in Android. So what happened here in this program, in this tutorial we will do the programming for internal storage. So here, as you can observe here, user will enter here user ID and password, click on save. Once you click on save, whatever the user ID and password is there, it will be stored in file. User can also click on check button. Then here activity main2.xml will open. User can click on load. Here whatever the user ID and password there, it will be appear here. User can also click on previous button, then he will go back in activity main.xml. So in this way this program will work. So now we start the coding. So for this I am going into main activity.java. I have already created two Java files, main activity and main2activity.java. So for writing operation we will go in main activity.java. Then in the next tutorial we will do reading operation, that will be present in main2activity.java. So now I am going in main activity.java. So I have already done some basic coding. So here what happened, edit text user and edit text password. So these are the variable. We have done assignment part here and save. This is the on click method of button. So in this save button, and here one more on click method is there, next. Okay, that is for the next button. Means by using this intent coding, user will switch on main activity, main2 activity. There is a save on click method. So our task is to save user ID and password. Suppose the ID is Suraj and password is Datir. And here I have already added toast message, data is added successfully, because by using this method we are going to perform writing operation. So the first step is here is as I want to take data from edit text. So first I will do here string variable. String a equals to user. Because why I have written user, because this is the object of edit text. So user dot get text dot to string. Same way you do for b. String variable b. Then my second variable is nothing but password. Password dot get text dot to string. So as we are going to perform writing operation, so you should write file output stream. Then here you have to create object, and then you use here open file output method. It is having two parameter. First one is nothing but file name. Password.txt is my file, and the mode is nothing but 0. You are already aware about this value. And then you observe here the error is coming. So don't be worried for that. Just press Alt Enter, and here you should select surround with try and catch. So you observe here try and catch block is coming for handling exception, and it will handle file not found exception. Because if you are opening file, or if you are writing file, and if there is a problem with the file, then we need to handle the exception. And now I am going into the catch block. Whatever the coding is there, you should do in the you should do in the try block. So now I am in the try block, and here you should write FOUT. This is the object of file output string dot write method. So here the write method is used to write the content, and here the previous statement is used to create the file for performing writing operation. So by using this you can write the content. So for that you have to select a dot get byte. So first I press Alt Enter and add catch. Now the error is removed. So now next statement is FOUT dot write b dot get bytes. So here our coding part is near about completed, and here I will declare file variable because I want to specify the path. So file equals to initial value null. So this is the file object, and then in the try block you should specify this variable file equals to get file directory. Now this variable you should add here plus file, because by using this what happen, you can see the path in the toast message. Now here you see this statement, Suraj is nothing but ID and Datir is nothing but passwords. So in between two there is a space. Okay, so our next statement is, here you can write a equals to a plus, here you can give the space. So it means what happen, whenever this content will be added, along with this value the space will be added in your program. So here our coding part is completed. Now we are checking the output. So here our app is running, and you should enter user ID and password. Then I am clicking on save button. So you see here the toast message is coming. Now I minimize this and check the file. For checking file you have to click on here downside device explorer, and here you select data option. Again you have to check data, and here you have to search your package. So our package is my application. So I am just searching my. So in this way you can easily search, and here you should go in files. Previously I had created pass.txt, so in this program our file is password.txt. Just double click there and again you click here. You see our data is added successfully. This is user ID and this is password, in between spaces there. So I hope friend you have understood writing operation. Then in the next tutorial we will see reading operation of the file. So if you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.